no, with the rising tensions ngayon dito sa Middle East, no? From your perspective, how should our government engage in energy and food diplomacy so that we can have a continuity of supply?
And break down yung question na yun, para mas maintindihan natin. I think it's all from the level ng mga ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino. I think it's very important that we also understand kung ano yung magiging yung, di ba, may Middle East conflict na nangyayari ngayon. So, paano yung conflict na yon mag-aapekto dun sa mga oil prices natin, fuel supply, electricity cost, pati na rin yung inflation here in the Philippines. Because those are the things na importante sa atin, tama ba? No? And those are the things na pwedeng sagutin in terms of, you know, policy, and by experience, anong nangyari during sa time ng to draw insight sa anong ginawa nila sa time ni Tatay Digong. So that's why I said I want to be able to break that down just so that we will have basic facts na pwede nating tingnan, and then eventually we can look at some insights para dun sa solusyon. On the other hand, gusto rin nating itanong, i-break down na paano yung kung mangyayaring magkakaroon ng oil price hike and all, how is that going to affect yung rising oil, pati yung shipping cost na maapektuhan in terms of food supply, food prices dito sa Pilipinas? Because when we are able to understand that, malalaman din natin kung gaano ka-epektibo yung gobyerno natin ngayon in terms of whether they're really addressing the problem at a level na makaka-apekto sa ordinaryong Pilipino. So that's why I want to ask both of our, na naging part ng administration natin. So.
Well, on energy, actually, napakarami ko sanang gustong i-share, pero yung 6 years hindi mo matatapos in a matter of hour or two. But let's limit the discussion first on the prevailing situation. No? Iba kasi yung landscape noon, iba yung ang landscape ngayon. No? So, ibang perspective ang nakikita natin. So, siyempre, ang energy, sinabi ko kanina, this energy, fuel, everything, it will affect, the situation now will affect our economic competitiveness. Kasi alam naman natin na tayo, ang Pilipinas, medyo agabyado sa economic competitiveness. Talo na rin tayo ng Vietnam. No? Tayo na nangungulelan. Bakit? Dahil our cost of production mataas.